Hi guys, ang menu natin ngayon ay sapsuy. So guys, yan mixed vegetable, may cauliflower, carrots, sayote, and repolyo. Sliced pork at may na fried na fishball with yung garlic and onion. Ito yung sauce niya guys. Pagka-fried natin, lagyan natin yung sauce with paminta, cornstarch, oyster sauce, and little bit soy sauce. So guys, let's cook. So guys, natrad na natin lahat ng ingredients. So itong vegetable ay na-blanch na yan. So lagay na natin ang ating vegetable with sauce. Done cooking with malunggay and sili with kamote. Tawag ay dinengdeng. Inabraw sa Ilocano. So, puro malunggay lang guys with stream maliliit na hipon.